Alright guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys how to register for a domain name. Now a domain name is just like your website name, something like facebook.com, google.com, youtube.com, anything.com, any name.org or .net, any extension. So to do that is very simple. There are so many websites you can actually use, so many domain registrars. So I'm going to use Namecheap. Yeah, so you can head over to Namecheap, you can sign up for an account, or if you have an account, continue. So just head over to the domain section and then click on domain. So once you click on domain search, it's going to bring you right on this page. So I'm right on the page domain search, so you can see. So .com, you're going to register a domain name with .com, so it's cost $8.88 per year, and to renew it every year is $12.98. So you can see for other extensions, .net, .org, .ai, .co, .io, and so many more. So want to register a domain name, so you come over here, this search bar, you enter the name of the website you want to register. It could be, let's say, johnanavi.com, your name.com, your business name.com. So I'm going to let me register. Let me see, jalingo.com. Yeah, so you're going to search, enter your name, and then add an extension. If you want .com, .net, or whatever extension, just enter it here and then click on the search. So once you click on search, the system is going to search across the web, across the internet, if this domain has been registered or not. So if it has been registered, that means it won't be available for you to use. But if it has not been registered, then it's going to tell you that it's available. So you should go ahead and buy the domain. So let's see if this domain is registered or is available. So as you can see, it's not available. So this domain has been registered in 2002. You see, you can see more information. It was registered at godaddy.com. So yeah, if you have interest in buying it, then you can actually make an offer to pick it up. But instead, you can go for other extensions. Maybe your domain name.org, .net, .tv. You're going to get a lot of options to choose from, and the price will actually be less or more. So you can see this $4, $1. You can see jalingo.xyz. So, but if you want the .com, so you have to keep searching and then until you find the right. So let's check for another domain, any other name. Let's say we have our website name, Janin John. Let's see. Let's say Janin John. Let me. Okay, let's close. Okay, sorry. I was trying. Okay, let me search for that one. Let's say Janin John. Janin John. So let's see if it's available. Janin John. Wow. So you can see this is available. So I can go ahead and register Janin John. There's nobody using this domain name. So that's for $8.88 per year. So you can see, so it's very fine. So I can just go ahead and register it. So that's how you find a good domain name. If you want to start a business or you want to register your own name as your own domain name, just go ahead to Namecheap, click on the domain section, domain search, and then enter the domain, the name of your business or your own personal name, and then add .com or .net or whatever extension you want, and then click on search. So it's going to tell you if it's available or it's not available. So if it's available, you can go ahead, add to cart, and make payment either by PayPal or by whatever means you want to use to make payments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can ask under this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing more and more quick short tutorials to help you find your way online. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.